Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet Promotion. Protect your company against attendee no-shows. For attendees with a busy schedule, it's too easy to lose track of a meeting. Send automated confirmation and reminder messages, complete with all the details. Problem solve. Collect the information your company needs during the scheduling process. This ensures your hosts can review any important details prior to the meeting. Quick to set up and even easier to share. Set your availability. Define your schedule and connect your calendar. Share your scheduling link. Share your booking page via email, text, social, or even embed it on your website. Watch the bookings fly in as people start scheduling time with you. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation. Sign up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.